because they knew that these cameras had to work flawlessly in the weather conditions, the winter severe conditions in Russia and Ukraine and wherever else they were going to be sold in that area. Let's keep going. This camera is not without its problems, okay? For example, you must, exclamation point, advance the film first before you change the shutter speed by pulling out the dial, rotating it to whatever shutter speed you want. Okay, here's a 30th. You must advance the film. And here is a half a second.